Sometimes you will need to access files that are saved directly onto your Chromebook. To do that, once you are in your Chromebook and logged in, you want to click your apps launcher in the bottom left corner. And you might see it here in your commonly used apps. You can see here it says files. It's a little blue circle with a file folder icon. If you don't see it there, click the arrow and it should show up on your apps launcher. So either on this first page or the second page. When you find your files, you can click and it will open. On files, you often will see that things will be saved to your downloads. Whenever you download something from the computer, this is where it will go, or from the internet. You can also click recent. This will show you the most recent files that you've opened. So the ones you opened probably like today in the past hour or so. And it goes from newest to oldest. Also, you can search by audio files if you have anything you recorded, images or pictures, and video files. So it'll sort the files by the type they are. If you want to do that, you can also search your Google Drive by clicking Google Drive. And you have My Drive, Shared with Me, and Offline.